call it lazy if you must, but sometimes my oven needs a day off. Hey you guys, come transform this plain store-bought birthday sheet cake into an ugly but cute Christmas sweater cake. Let me tell you, sometimes I don't have the energy to bake for a holiday gathering, but I still want to bring something cute and special that shows effort. I really enjoyed making this as much as I enjoyed shopping for candy for it. I hope you can use this as inspiration for your next holiday event, so let's get right into this transformation. Okay, so I'm going to start off by scraping the icing off this cake so I can have a blank canvas to work with. It's best to do this with a cold cake. You can actually save this icing and use it to decorate later on if you like. I have sprinkles on this icing, so I don't think I'll be able to use it, but if your sheet cake doesn't have sprinkles, the scraped frosting will be better to reuse. Okay, so I'm just scraping the sprinkles off on the side here and carefully just cleaning the edge of the cake and cake board using my offset spatula. So you're going to take some frosting. You can buy frosting or you can make it. Here I have my favorite frosting. It's Italian meringue buttercream, of course. I'll leave the video link to my recipe here if you want to check it out after this video. I'm just spreading and smoothing it all around. This is going to be the base color of my sweater. I'm using my cake scraper here to just help me with the smoothing process. Now it's time to decorate. The first thing I'm going to do is mark a V for the neckline, then a line down the middle where the sweater closes, and I'll put buttons on there later on. So the piping tip I'm using is a simple star tip. You can really use any tip you like. This part is just a great way to distinguish that it's a sweater. I bought cookie icing as well, which I'll use for the string design for the lights and bells. You can actually use frosting with a tiny round piping tip to create the string design. Here I'm just using a toothpick to sort of plan out the direction of the string, creating little loops here and there. Once I'm happy with the design, I'll take the cookie icing and follow the outline I just created. I'm probably not going to use all this candy for the sweater design, but I wanted to show you one of the main chocolates I got are these Reese's chocolates that are shaped like bells. Now I'm going to take the bell-shaped chocolates and plop them onto random spots. Here I'm just creating circular shapes to represent the top of the bells, indicating their attachment to the string. Now I'm going to add the pre-made icing decorations. I have Christmas light bulbs here and I'm adding them onto the string. Next, I'm adding gumdrops to represent the buttons for the sweater. Then I'm going to add the candy cane decorations, filling some of those empty areas. Lastly, I'm going to pick out snowflakes from the sprinkle container and just add it onto random spots. And here is the final look. Obviously, you can go crazy with it and add more sprinkles and candy. I wanted to keep this design simple but fun and cute. Something I would actually wear to an ugly Christmas sweater party. I hope you can use this cake as inspiration for your next Christmas event. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I love sharing my recipes and decorating tips with you all. Just a side note, if you do have the energy to bake, check out my vanilla cake recipe. Although I show it as a cupcake recipe, it works well baked as a sheet cake. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.